This is Joey.
This is Mike.
And we're in
Our mobile backpack.
Today we're at the Biosphere in Arizona. So this is Biosphere 2. Biosphere 1, of course, is the Earth and its environment. The whole idea of this structure is to find ways for us to live on other planets, to survive and thrive.
It's really quite interesting to go on this tour. Now, today what we're going to do is put together a little photo montage for you of some of the highlights of what we saw here today. But I'm telling you that if you want to find out, you need to come here to Arizona and check out Biosphere 2.
Check it out. It's right outside of Tucson. It's worth the trip.
Well, the highlight of our day is we met up with our friends Pat and Ellen from Rolling Along Country Roads. They are joining us for this great exploration of Biosphere 2 and all the things that we discovered along the way. So I hope you enjoy this visit through these fabulous buildings and structures and the history behind everything that is here at this facility. It's quite interesting.
The Biosphere was built with the original intent of putting people inside the environment, separate from the Earth, and letting them live for 2 years at a time with people and animals, a complete ecosystem. Well, they did that, and they learned a lot from that experiment. The Biosphere is now ran by the University of Arizona, so there's multiple experiments going on in different parts of the Biosphere at different times. And as the technology changes, there's going to be a lot of new experiments in.
We thank you for coming along on our journey.
Please take a second to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, and for now,
For now,
bye.
bye.